Hey folks, welcome to Module 10 and to our final project of the semester, the art review essay. This module is pretty much about your getting the idea of what an art review is. How does a reviewer approach a work of art and render a judgment upon it? Is the art good? Why? Is it bad? Why? Is it just mediocre or stupid or whatever judgment you wish to render upon the work of art that you're going to be reviewing? How's it done? Well, obviously, it doesn't have much to do with opinion, but it's got a lot to do with criteria. What are the elements upon which you are evaluating the worth of a work of art? So we're going to unpack this step by step as we do our final project. And for this module, you want to be thinking about and exploring in your community what work of art you are going to review. And to get you inspired and started, we're going to be watching a marvelous video of the great reviewer, Sister Wendy, a nun, who is very popular in England and was a bit of a cultural phenomenon with her way of reviewing and making what could be very obscure art accessible. So please enjoy Sister Wendy's video art review and get to work finding what art you yourselves wish to go out and review.